today I am not teaching anything. I am giving an update on my poultry YouTube channel. Of course, everything I talk here is basically about poultry farming, poultry business, layers poultry farming specifically. So I'm just giving an update on my channel, so stick around. Hi, welcome here again. So this is like let me do like a full introduction. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber on this channel, welcome back here. If you're coming across my video for the first time, welcome here. My name is Modupe and I am a poultry YouTuber based in Nigeria. So this is my poultry farm, and basically I make videos about poultry farming, poultry business, best practices in poultry. I basically talk about layers poultry farming. So that's like my specialty. Welcome here, and please, before you leave, kindly subscribe on this channel. So like I said, this video is not to teach anything today, just to tell you about what this channel is about and ask for more support, of course. So if you saw my video, the last video I uploaded in 2023 about the review, like I gave a review of how 2023 was for me, I'd have the link to that video somewhere here, so you can check it out. Anyway, so one of the things I mentioned in that video was that in June of 2023 I decided to take my YouTube channel a lot more seriously. So this farm started 2 years ago in March of 2022, and I think I uploaded my first video on YouTube in March of 2022. But of course, I think in the whole of 2022, maybe I uploaded just less than 6 videos or thereabouts. I didn't take it any seriously. I just dropped the video once in a while. So in June of 2023, I just felt I really can take this thing seriously. I really can impact people. I feel that, okay, maybe this business I am doing, this business I am managing, somebody might find it interesting, somebody might find the small knowledge I have, somebody might find it useful. So I decided to take it a lot more seriously in the sense that I decided to upload at least one video every week. It is not easy, of course, managing the farm, having my normal regular job, and also thinking of what video should I make next, what video do I think my people would want to see here. So yeah, that's what I have done in the last let's say 9 months. I decided to be consistent on this channel. So what did my consistency earn me? Anyway, in February of this year, I had over 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Yeah! Which is like a very, very big deal for a small YouTuber like myself, who is just in my small corner in this part of the world doing this business. And I was so happy. Also, I crossed the threshold where I am able to, after that I am able to monetize my channel. And of course, what are we doing now if I am not monetizing my channel? Like, as much as I'd like to impact knowledge, it would be nice to make some money from this thing too, you know. So anyway, I crossed the 4,000 watch hour and I'm so excited about it. Then this is where the real work starts for all of us, and this is why I am giving this update. I want to plead with you for some things, and please indulge me. I have the membership on my channel. I'd like that you join my membership, and I think it's going to be exciting for you if you're a member on my channel. If you have my membership on, aside having a few perks that YouTube recognizes, there you have the membership badge, you have the response priority and all that. Then of course you're also my personal person. On this video you're seeing right now, you'll see the join icon, join, so you can click on it and pick any of the membership badges you'd like. Your support means a whole lot to me. So that's number one, joining my membership to support my channel and of course encourage me, yeah. So number 2 is that there's also the thanks icon on this video. You're going to be seeing it on every of my video now. You probably watch any of my video and you find it, oh, I find this interesting, enriching, and all the fine stuff. So you can just click on that thanks icon and say thank you to Modupe. So that's another option. Then the one that I'd really plead with you now, please, when you're watching my video, I am begging you, Ejo, Edakun, Biko, please don't skip my ad. When the ad plays, if you feel that, oh, you want to hear the next thing I want to say, okay, maybe you should use the opportunity to get something in your kitchen, get something in your fridge, or just fold your clothes or something. Just let the ads play. Just let the ads play, please. So that's about it that's what I'd like, and I'd like to plead with you on this channel. Please, my subscribers, and also every time you watch my video, do me a favor, Ejo, just click on the like button. Just like, please, like, comment, share if possible. It means a whole lot to me. In the last 3 months, I have had a whole lot of people seeing my channel, obviously, and that's how I have been able to grow this much in the last few months. So they've been asking, oh, do you offer trainings and all that? At first, I've probably been saying no, that, oh, I'm not offering trainings, but I am considering it. I also mentioned that in my review of last year, that this year I am taking all these things seriously. So in the next few weeks, I am going to be having my first layers poultry training. The details will be up very soon. I mean, how we're going to organize the training. Of course, it's going to be online via Zoom. So how we're going to have the training, it's going to be a paid training. Whoever is interested in the training is going to be paying for it. We're going to have it for some sessions, probably running for about 2-3 weeks. I am not sure of all the modalities yet, but yes, Modupe is going to be having a layers poultry training very soon, and I'd like that you join if you're interested in poultry farming. If you're looking to start poultry farming, trust me, you would need to be trained so that you don't make some avoidable mistakes. Yeah, so it's going to be very beneficial for you to be trained in a business you're trying to invest your money in, because of course layers poultry farming is not cheap. So I would not advise that you get into the business without receiving proper training for you. And of course, I've been in this business for over 2 years. I am literally living layers poultry farming. It's what has been like everyday activity in my life in the last 2 years. And trust me, I have so much to teach in this business. So that's about the training. Then also, if you'd like that I consult for your farm or consult for your business, write your business plan for you, let me know also. Just send me an email, modupe.monebi@gmail.com. My email is going to be displayed on the screen. You can just reach out to me and let us discuss, you understand. So yeah, this is like an update about this my YouTube channel, and also like is it professional updates, something like that. So if peradventure you're seeing my face or my video for the first time, please, you can just go through my channel. I have over 75 videos on this channel that I feel you will find very useful and very impactful if you're trying to come into the poultry industry, or if you're if you even already have a poultry farm, you find it very useful. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. This is me saying Modupe go. I am thankful for every one of you, and for the few people, I have like a few people who would always reach out to me. Like I even have some people who would reach out to me after every video I upload. Oh, I just saw your video. You said this, you said that. I am so thankful for this group of people who always give me feedback that, okay, you can also talk about this. I think you should also talk about this. I think people would want to learn about this too. Thank you so much. I appreciate every support I have gotten from every of my subscriber, every of my viewer. I appreciate every like, every comment, every share, and everything. This is just a grateful person, a thankful person saying thank you for your support so far. Bye bye.